Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Tali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money, mostly online. We talk about side hustle opportunities, and we also talk about passive income. So if any of these topics sound exciting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, remember to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video you do not miss out. If you missed the last update, you want to check this video up here where I talk about my tractor business. I started a new YouTube channel, and I just got monetized this morning, so I'm excited, and that's the news I wanted to bring. So which brings us to side hustle number 4, starting a YouTube channel. I started it from scratch, and mostly, okay, it wasn't from scratch per se. I mostly, if you have been on this channel long enough, you will remember this channel was originally a travel channel, and then COVID happened and I couldn't travel from like 2020, and I was like, I can just keep the channel and my viewers just wondering what happened, and so I decided to spin off all the travel videos to a new YouTube channel, and then just keep this for finance and money stuff. And when the borders reopened, I decided now to focus on pushing the new channel, that is Travel with Tali, and push it to monetization level. And I have been posting videos, like leading to me getting monetized. I have been posting videos and posting videos and posting videos, and fortunately it paid off, and I just got monetized this morning. So that is the update. That is an additional revenue stream. So guys, these things work, and this video up here, I share with you some of the reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel. So if you're still on the fence on whether should I start, should I not start, I suggest that you check out that video and make a decision. And just to talk a little bit about some of the things that helped me to get monetized, like almost really quickly, and a little more quickly than this current channel got, because I didn't even have any knowledge. But by the time I was starting the other channel, I kind of had an idea around things like search engine optimization and the stuff, and how these things work. So it was kind of easier, but it was still a really long journey. So number one, I leveraged my existing fan base. For example, I have about 9,000 followers on Instagram. I have about 4,000 of you guys on this channel. I have about 5,000 friends on Facebook. So I just used to cross market myself on the different platforms and ask guys, hey, please sign up on my platform. And in a very short while, I was able to get to 1,000 subscribers, because remember, for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, which usually is the harder part. It's very easy to get 1,000 people to subscribe to your channel. It's a lot harder to convince them to watch your videos, unless of course you're very lucky to be like a celebrity, or you're like a TV presenter or a radio presenter. Like you open your channel today and everybody knows you, and you get like 100,000 subscribers in 2 hours. That wasn't my experience. And then secondly, what helped me is that I was creating searchable content. So if you check the Travel with Tali YouTube channel, it's centered around visa issues, it's centered around immigrating to Canada, it's centered around travel tips and hacks, so things that people are actually looking for on the internet, and those are the questions that I was answering. So it was very easy, even if you didn't know about me and you searched a topic that I had talked about on my channel, then it was very easy for you to find my channel, even if you didn't know who I was before. So that's something else you want to consider, especially if you're still new, you're not a celebrity, you're not a TV personality, you're not a radio personality, nobody knows about you. Before you start shooting videos that nobody is looking for, you may want to consider posting things that people are actually looking for. And the other thing that helped me, I leveraged Facebook groups that are related to travel. So I happen to be a member of the Wanderlust Facebook group, which is mostly around travel and stuff like that. So once in a while, I would post a YouTube video, and then I would forward it to that platform. And once in a while, the admin would approve. Sometimes they would not approve my posts. So the few days when they approve my posts, I would get like maybe 20, 30 extra views that I initially wouldn't have gotten. So that's something else you can consider. Join relevant Facebook groups and post your videos that are related to the topics being covered in that group. Something else that helped me was just ask people. Yeah, so I have very supportive fans. I have very supportive family members. I have very supportive friends who actually went out of their way to watch my videos, sometimes 3 times a day, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. Like people who genuinely just love me and wanted to support me into my journey. So don't be afraid to ask people, hey guys, please subscribe to my channel, please watch my videos, help me out, let me know where I'm going wrong, what videos do I need to focus more on, what areas do I need to change. Just ask people. Yeah, in fact, I remember one of my Facebook friends was like, Eva, what took you too long to ask? Yeah, and I was just like, no, I wanted to come to you and I have something concrete. And then something else, the algorithm loves content and loves anybody who's gonna keep people on the platform. So leading to my monetization, I told myself I'm gonna be shooting at least 1 video every day. There are days I was shooting like 3 videos. I was posting 3 videos on my channel. Guys, as long as you are posting relevant content, entertaining content, inspiring content, or content that is teaching people how to do something, you're gonna find somebody to watch them. So there are days I would post like 2 videos in a day, sometimes 3 videos in a day. There's a month, I think like in August, I posted like 40 videos. And you guys, it paid off. Yeah, so I was like on an aggressive content creation journey. And the beauty with that is when you have a lot of content and you're also working on increasing your subscriber base, when subscribers come to your channel, they watch one video, they like it, they want to watch the next one, and there's something for them to watch. And like, let's say you have 1 video or 2 videos on your channel and you go on a recruitment of subscribers, they come to your channel, they like 1 video, and then when they come back, there's nothing. Yeah, so they've always said consistency pays. You guys, consistency is the thing. That's the secret sauce. Make sure when people return to your channel, they have something new to watch at least every 2 days if possible, especially when you're still moving towards monetization and people still don't know you. And it helps the algorithm to put you and to consider you an authority in that topic. Last but not least is ask your subscribers. Yeah, tell them to watch. So I always used to encourage, before I start talking on the video, I'll be like, hey guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. And when people hit the notification bell, every time you post a new video, they're alerted, and if you're lucky, they will watch. So guys, that's today's update on side hustle. Side hustle number 4. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that every single time I post a new video, you do not miss out. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye bye.